Hey folks, I'm Walter, and especially for you first-time cruisers, I want to walk you through what embarkation is like on a cruise. Now, number one, you need photo ID. You should have a government-issued photo ID, and you really should have a passport with you. Currently, you need to show proof of COVID vaccination, so you're going to need your vaccination card, and you're also going to need a negative COVID test. Now, you may take that in advance, and then you have to bring the proof with you, or some of the cruise lines are doing the tests at the pier. Just check with that cruise line to see what they're doing. Now, most cruise lines have an online check-in system, and when you check in, it will give you an arrival time at the port. Don't show up super early. The cruise lines are really sticking to those times now, and you may end up sitting in that terminal for hours, or worse yet, they may not even let you into the terminal until that scheduled arrival time. Now, once inside the terminal, if you have not already been assigned, you will be assigned a boarding group, and then you just simply wait for that boarding group to be called, and you're clear to go onto the ship. Now, once on board, your cabin may not be ready for several hours. So whatever you've carried on board with you, you're probably going to have to keep it with you and carry it around. So keep that in mind. Don't bring a ton of carry-on with you that you're going to have to keep lugging around the ship until your cabin's ready. Now, once on board the ship is yours. You can go up to the pool. The pool bars are generally open. The buffet is generally open. And a sit-down restaurant will be open. Understand that there will be limited services available because a lot of the crew is still turning around the ship. So you will see a lot of bars and a lot of restaurants that are closed when you first get on, because those crew members are actually helping to turn around the ship. And when you first get on the ship, this is a great time to go ahead and take care of any dinner reservations you want to make, spa reservation, excursion. Get that out of the way early before the crowds line up. And the most important thing you have to complete when you get on the ship is the muster drill, the safety drill. This is legally required of all passengers before the ship can leave. Now, most cruise lines now have the muster drill on your phone. You just simply watch a video. And then you have to go to your muster station. This is where you would meet up in the case of an emergency, and a crew member will check off that you've watched the video and that you have checked in. Now you're free to go have a good time and kick off your cruise.